Hello everyone. Welcome again to this channel. In this video I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to share files on Google Drive via Android phones. So how? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right. Firstly, open the Google Drive application on the phone. And then, click the three dots to the right of the file to be sent. After that, click the Share button. And then, enter the destination email that we will send the file to. After that, click to determine the recipient's role in accessing the file. Here you can select the viewer. Finally, click the Send button on the top right. Yeah, the file has been sent to the destination email and can be seen in the incoming message on the destination email. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.